Hello traders, it is my joy and honor to invite you to join us in Alpha Fibonacci Annual 10 Days Recorded Trading Bootcamp. We have 11 spots available as of today, February 7th. Graduates reminded me that every single year I empower and teach students how to trade with ultimate precision with the Alpha Fibonacci system in the live markets. If you are a new student and you joining us, Trading Bootcamp value $27.77 included at no extra cost, free for new February and March 25 new students who are joining us in group and private mentoring packages. So please review the information on the website and understand that this event will never repeat. These 10 days can change your life and your trading forever. You will master ultimate simplicity and precision with consistency across stocks, futures, Forex, options, crypto. As proprietary system applies to all instruments, all timeframes, all platforms. All of this I will be teaching in the live markets effective Monday, March 2024 as of 9:15 EST. We will go with a market volatility on average 3 hours per day. So why attend Alpha Fibonacci Trading Bootcamp? You will witness Proven Alpha Fibonacci Trading System in the live markets. I will be teaching on day trading multiple examples, as well as we will be reviewing long-term trades across stocks, Forex, crypto, commodities, oil, gold, and any instruments you might have questions about. You will learn how to trade with absolute precision in all market conditions. Depending on the package you will choose, you will receive a lifetime access to the Alpha Fibonacci system for all platforms, and you also have 2 options with software for NinjaTrader 8. So please review everything in detail posted on the website and understand this annual trading bootcamp appropriate for traders of all levels, complete beginner traders and advanced traders. In the bootcamp, there will be futures, options, crypto traders, stock traders, commodity traders. So if you cannot attend the bootcamp will be recorded and comes with 3 months group or private mentoring packages. Trader psychology will be absolutely critical key part of the trading bootcamp, as it will become an eye-opening experience, what it takes to develop alpha brain. I will dive into critical key timings, when to trade markets, and how you can master impulsive trading and emotional biases, and most importantly, how you can manage your fear, your greed, your hesitation with ultimate mental discipline, alpha brain of the alpha trader, because Alpha Fibonacci system based on very simple and precise trading rules. So when you will click on signing up here for the Alpha Fibonacci Trading Bootcamp, you will see 4 options appropriate for you. Every single option includes Trading Bootcamp. If you are joining us in the private mentoring option, it's the most desirable option, savings more than $10,000. Regular price for private mentoring package is almost $20,000. With the bootcamp and with the current savings $10,000. Private mentoring package includes all group courses, video library module, trading bootcamp, and trading bootcamp recordings during 4 months trading education. And of course, every single option includes group course, video library modules, and trading room. Option 2 is the most popular option. That's appropriate for group course. And again, includes lifetime system for all platforms, every option. And option 2 and 4 includes lifetime software for NinjaTrader 8 that comes with multi-market scanner and trade recognition software. So please view our students' performance from traders from all over the world. So many of my students keep coming back for the bootcamp to polish their trading and to see how you can trade anything you choose. When traders who've been struggling forever see how this becoming a life-changing event. Carlton brought so many friends to the course and have done multiple bootcamps. CEO may be joining us from Australia to share how he's trading futures, how he's trading commodities, how he's trading Forex. Richard, my dearest friend for life, who retired trading Alpha Fibonacci System, retired oncologist on options. Georgie may be joining us as well, sharing how he's trading stocks on platforms I never even heard of, as Alpha Fibonacci System applies to all instruments, all time frames, all platforms, and traded by traders all over the world on any instrument you choose. Pablo, complete beginner trader, will be stopping in a bootcamp to share his journey and story and what he trades. You can also listen to our students' podcasts from all over the world, where you will see why fathers bring in their children, why friends bring in their friends, why husbands bring in their wives to the course, and how traders who struggled for so many years becoming full-time traders. Any questions for me? Please first review all the information on our homepage. As you will see, traders just like you no longer struggling after trading Alpha Fibonacci System with bootcamp. It is Alpha Fibonacci System on steroids within 10 days. Additional 10 days that may change your trading and your life forever. Any questions for me? Simply pick up the phone and call 925-257-4298 or info@fibinstitute.com. Thank you, traders, so much. I cannot wait to see you in a trading bootcamp. March 24th, 9:15 EST. Thank you so much.